I just bought this 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan and we are going to rebuild this car in only 24 hours.
Все, зайка, новая машина, ни разу не стиранная.
All you need is to change the tire.
Oh!
Parts all inside.
To unload the car from a tow truck, we had to use jack. Suspension was damaged, so we cannot use the spare tire.
This is Carla. Банк вообще с такой. Wow! Professional!
Yeah.
Good job, good job. So Lana, do you like this car?
No,
No?
I love this car.
You love this car.
Vida.
So we got all the parts we need. We got the bumper, front, two fenders left and right. We got new door. We got those painted. The battery on the car was dead, so we had to use a jump starter. We also fixed the suspension so we could put a wheel on so we can drive to the shop.
Давай, еще, пошел. Еще, давай. Сейчас сзади пойдет кнопки, вот будет скользить. Туда.
We removed left and right tires so we can have easy access to disassemble front end of the car. So right now we're in the process of removing all the damaged parts. The exhaust that on the car, it's a little bit off. So we bought and replaced the right side control arm, the sway bar link, wheel hub, right wheel and tire, as well as the lower control arm and the CV axle. So suspension is all ready to go. Besides the axle, we need to replace it, exchange it, because we got a broken one. Vadim did all the repair job. I successfully watched the whole process and filmed it. So let's keep going. So right now we're in the process of replacing a door. We have a painted door shell that we bought in brand new, and we need to replace all those parts on the brand new door shell. We put the battery on charge, and we need to fix this part. We have already headlight. We're gonna install the hood, fender, two fenders left and right. We also bought a new wheel because the previous one was bented, so we just decided to buy the new one. But before we continue, let's take a quick pause. This video is sponsored by company Masego.
What's up guys, how's it going? Today we have Masego 2-channel dash cam. In fact, this product has 2 cameras in here. You can see the first thing that you get when you open the box up is a memory card. So it's a 32 gig micro SD card. There's a little mount for the camera itself on the windscreen. You have the power for it, so it goes into your cigarette lighter. Looks like it's a mini USB. And then the actual camera itself is inside this box. So there it is. Very nice looking camera. It has a screen on the back so you could see what it is seeing. And the second one is the rear camera. Very nice. And actually, as I'm opening this camera, I just realized that the screen for this camera is this screen itself. Let's go ahead and install it and see how it works. So that's our front camera and that's our rear view camera. So both look pretty good. You could see that, so it starts recording right off the bat whenever the car gets started. So it is on Amazon for $225. If you do use the promo code Burning Rubber, you will get 5% off. So I will say, generally speaking, like this is a pretty cool device.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. Stay tuned to see next episode. Bye bye!